What's up, guys? This is Chris here again, and I've had a couple of people ask me on this image specifically how I got the red and blue, the 3D look. So I figured I'd do a quick tutorial on how I did that. It's really, really simple, probably way simpler than you thought it would be. So that's the final image. That's what I had to start with, and so basically just hit Command J to duplicate that, Control J on PC. Double click on the thumbnail and it'll bring up your layer styles, or you can go down and do it from down there. Basically just take off the blue and green channel and hit OK, and nothing happens. So what you have to do is go into your go to warp, and just very slightly warp it just a tiny bit until you start seeing that effect. You can do it as much as you want. You can get some like pretty cool looking effects out of it. But I just like to go just a tiny bit and hit enter. Let that go. Normally doesn't take this long, but screen recording does slow your computer down. So just give it a second. All right, there we go. So it looks pretty good as it is. However, the white or the blue and red takes away from the eyes, and I don't really like that. So what I do is just create a layer mask and basically just brush out anything that I don't want. So just on the eyes, I still want it on the hair, still want it on that. I don't like it on the lips either. This is just personal preference, but yeah, so I take it off the lips as well. Try to get it so it doesn't have any little bits of color remaining in there. And I try to basically take it off of all the facial features. Just because it's a little bit distracting. So that kind of got all weird. Get some issues here. There. All right. So that's pretty much about it right there. So yeah, it looks. I don't know if it works. Never tried it. The 3D part at least. So if you decide to try this out, and if you happen to have a pair of the red and blue glasses around, try it out, see if it actually works. Let me know. If it does, I'll probably go pick up a pair and try it myself. So yeah, that's about it, and hope you guys enjoyed that.